Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to auto sync your video to the music beat in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up CapCut. Now I'm going to import these images. So I'm going to import about 10 images of Jenny Ortega. Now I'm going to drag all these into my timeline like so, and now I'm going to also add a beat. So I'm going to import a track, so Shake by Anno Domino. So now I'm going to drag this in here too, like so. Now there's two ways you can do this, but I'm just going to show you the quickest and easiest way. So what we can do is we've got our music track down below, so if I press play, you will see that it's not synced to the beat. So this video collage, photo collage isn't synced to the beat. So in order to do that, I'm going to take this slider to the front, click on the beat, and now from here I'm going to click onto auto beat, and we've got beat 1, beat 2, so you can check out either one of them. I'm going to try beat 1. So now give this a few moments to load, and now you can see they got these markers here on your beat, and now we need to match the image or video to these markers. And before you do that, make sure turn off auto snapping. Make sure that is turned on. So if it's off, go ahead and turn it on, because it'll just make your life easier trying to get this, in my case, these images to line up to the beat. So what I'm going to do is zoom in a bit here to make it easier to see. I'm going to go to the start. So now I need to snap all these images to these dots. So that's done, that's done. Now I've got to move this to the left like so. So I'm going to click. So I'll pause this video and get back to you once I've done this. Alright, I've done that. Now I'm going to go to the start, and you'll be able to see the end result. So yeah, that's it guys, how to auto sync your videos to the music beat in CapCut.